Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about fixing your smile, but the idea of sitting in a dentist's chair for hours just sounds like a nightmare? Yeah, same here. So I went digging online to see if there's an easier way to start orthodontic treatment from home. And that's when I came across the Initsmil Teeth Impression Kit. Now the idea is actually pretty simple. Instead of visiting a clinic just to get molds of your teeth, this kit lets you do the entire impression process right at home. No waiting rooms, no awkward small talk with the dentist while your mouth is full of tools. Here's how the process works. Once you order the kit, it gets shipped directly to your door. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to take accurate impressions of your teeth. The instructions are designed to be beginner friendly, so even if you've never done anything like this before, it's pretty straightforward. Next, you create the dental impressions yourself using the trays included in the kit. After that, you simply take photos of your impressions and send them for approval. This step is important because it ensures the molds are clear enough for the orthodontic team to work with. Once everything checks out, you ship the impressions back using the provided shipping label. From there, the professionals analyze your teeth alignment, bite conditions, and overall dental structure using digital technology. Then comes the cool part. They design a personalized orthodontic plan based on your impressions. You even get a preview of how your future smile could look before anything moves forward. If you approve the plan, custom aligners are created and shipped straight to your doorstep. Just follow the treatment plan they designed and you can start seeing progress over the next few months. What I personally liked about this system is the convenience. Everything starts from home and the process is structured step by step so you're not guessing what to do next. So if you've been curious about starting your smile transformation without immediately stepping into a clinic, the Initsmil Teeth Impression Kit is definitely an interesting starting point to check out. And hey, if your future smile can begin from your living room instead of a dentist's waiting chair, that's already a pretty good deal. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.